Hello everyone and welcome to episode 3 of Complete Web Design course. In today's video, we will dive into the one of the most fundamental part of web development, HTML. Whether you are total beginner or just brushing up your skill, this video is your first real step towards becoming a professional web developer. So stay with me till the end. Web design is the process of creating a website, putting together a group of files on a web server that user can view and interact with online. These files contains the content, structure and visual of the your site, including things like a text, forms, images, buttons, and much more. HTML is the core language that defines how this content is structured and displayed in your browser. HTML basics. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and it is backbone of any website. It is not a programming language but a markup language that tells your browser how to organize content on the page. Basic HTML elements you must know. HTML. This is the root element that warps the entire page. Head. This section contains metadata like the title, CSS links, fonts, etc. Body. This will where all the visible content of your site goes: text, images, buttons, form, etc. This is the simple example of HTML. HTML is a root element document. HTML means it's define the version of HTML. HTML is normally root element. Head is a container of metadata. Title, my first website. Head, body. We should close the head elements including backslash body. H1 is a heading tag. Heading tag. P is the paragraph tag. We should close the all tags with backslash body and HTML. This simple page show a main heading and paragraph. Without HTML, the browser wouldn't know how to display your content. Even when you are using the technologies like a JavaScript, CSS, Vue or React, HTML is always the foundation. You build everything else on top of it. Modern tools. Nowadays, we really use raw HTML alone. Instead, we combine it with CSS to style, JavaScript to make it interactive, Figma the design UI markup before development, VS Code as a powerful code editor. Developers also use modern frameworks and libraries like a Vue.js, React, Angular. These tools still really on HTML under the hood. It's just a abstract or written differently. That's why mastering HTML basics is absolutely essential. So that is it for today's session on HTML basics. You now understand what HTML is, how it works, and why it is so important in modern web development. In the next video, we will move to the ahead of exploring how to HTML tag to a build a really web page and introduce some styling with CSS. Don't forget like, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss the next part of the course.